So, what are we even looking for when we look for new graduate students? Well, a lot of different things, but among them definitely are interest in research, maybe even research experience. And then also, we look very much at your writing skills because writing papers, reports, and so on is going to be an essential component of your education if you get accepted. But let's hear from some of our faculty and see what they might be looking for in a graduate student.
The most important thing that we are looking in student is the motivation. If I find one motivated student, this will be great. Additionally, if they have previous experience, previous research experience, this will be also more better. And if they have one or two awards, this add a plus to the student.
So in my graduate students are looking for a couple different things. The first is I'm looking for a graduate student who's a self-starter, who can be given a topic or an area of research and they go off and they really look at the literature and better understand the problem that we're trying to address. We incorporate things like journal club and lab meetings so that everybody stays on the same page. And certainly I'm always here to have discussions and talk about the topics. The other thing I look for is a student who's a problem solver. Nothing ever goes according to plan in research, and to me, one of the best qualities I worked on and developed as a graduate student was my own problem solving. Now that doesn't mean I was unsupervised, but I was often expected to identify a problem, come up with some potential solutions, and then present that to my PI so that we could discuss it and figure out how to move forward. And that's definitely a process that I've incorporated and find that it really helps to encourage my students to develop those skills, and then once they get out into the real world, once they move out of graduate school, they then have those skills that they can put to use.
Here are 5 tips for putting together a strong graduate student application. Number 1, reach out to us. Visit us if at all possible, but if you live in a different country, set up a Zoom meeting with some of the professors here in the department. Number 2, tell us which programs you are interested in and why. Number 3, tell us who you have talked to, which professors you have reached out to and maybe met with or talked to online. Number 4, get research experience. Seek out opportunities as undergraduate students, and then tell us what those experiences were and what you learned. Number 5, find good references. Find people who know you well as students and can talk about your aptitude, your potential for becoming good graduate students. This really matters. You can learn more about our research programs and our graduate educational opportunities on our departmental website.